Today I'm addressing a question I get very frequently, which is when people say they're following some sort of a step-based program like convict conditioning, and in the program, the author or the expert says, don't do the advanced stuff until you can do so many reps or do a certain step of this other stuff first. And the reason why this is so prevalent of a question that I receive is because a lot of folks feel like they can potentially go beyond things, or they're ready for that step even though they can't get to that first qualification measure. You see, everybody's different when they begin their training phase, whether they're starting combat conditioning, grind style calisthenics, or even my new book, Calisthenics for Beginners. The title itself is a little misleading because there's no such thing as a standard beginner. A lot of the reviews that we've been getting on Amazon have been extremely positive, but one of the criticisms is people saying things like, I don't know if like the first step of the incline handstand is really that much of a beginner exercise. And the answer is it may not be for yourself, depending on what kind of qualities and functional abilities you're bringing to the table from the get-go. So that's why I always tell people, don't worry too much about getting some sort of qualification metric, but train according to your abilities and your current capabilities. This way, you're matching the level of your workout to what you can actually do. You don't have to hold yourself back. At the same time, keep that in mind in the micro scale too. Like if you're starting to work out and you're just like, I do not have it today, I don't have the strength or the concentration or something's just off, scale it on a workout to workout or even set by set basis. Train according to your capability and what you can actually do, as opposed to conforming to some sort of a dogmatic system. All right, I hope that gave you some flexibility and clarity on how to approach your training in a more effective way. If you want to learn more, check out these videos here. Don't forget my complete RDP library down below in the description is also available as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be fit, live free.